So you say you want a townhome near downtown St. Pete. You want at least 3 bedrooms, at least 3 baths. You also tell me you want at least 2,000 square feet. Then you say you want an open water view. Not only just an open water view, but you also want a balcony overlooking that water view. You don't want to be near all the hustle and bustle in terms of noise. You want your own peace and serenity. And then you tell me, which is the kicker, that you want it under $1 million. Tony, I think we should cut. I don't think I can deliver on that. Let's cut. So there actually is one place available that meets all of that criteria. It is 1835 5th Street North, and I'm about to go show you it right now. Let's go take a look.